Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like an in-depth slick side parted I don't know if I'm going to do a bun or a puff. I have a video on both of them, I think. Yeah, but I never like did like a talk through of it. So yeah, my hair is wet. I didn't wash it or anything, I just re-wet it in the shower. What you're gonna need is like a paddle brush. I use this to like smooth out the lumps. A bristle brush, a skinny like rat's tail comb to part your hair, a toothbrush, and some gel. I'm gonna be using the SOFTEE black protein gel because I don't have any Eco Solid gel. I have to order some. Oh, you're gonna need hair ties. I usually use hair ties. I think they're like headbands. I just use 2. So it doesn't matter what side you want your part on. I usually like my part on this side. So I made my part. It's not super straight because I cannot part for shit. I'm gonna put in some gel. And I usually use a lot of gel, so I just rub it in my hands. And I'm gonna start smoothing it onto my hair, basically everywhere.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
I know you're probably saying like you put in too much gel, but my hair is fine, trust me. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my paddle brush and basically like brush, comb through my hair. And what this basically is doing, is smoothing my hair. As you can see, I like to brush, smooth, brush, smooth.
What I like I do, I do. What I like I do, I do.
Now I like that I'm going in with my brush, my bristle brush. I'm basically doing the same thing. Brush, smooth, brush, smooth. That's the trick to getting a slick bun for me. Well, slick down ponytail.
I think us bad bitches, it's a gift from God. I think you broke hoes, need to get a job.
I saw African Beauty. Is that how you pronounce it? African Beauty. Yeah. But this is cute. But yeah, I saw how she did her buns. I like this way better. But if you do like have like thicker, coarser hair, her method would probably work for you if you're having trouble like slicking down your hair. So now I'm gonna take these 2 things. I'll just take it and put it on my hand like this. And now here's the part. Okay, so this is where people struggle.
I wanna get married, like the Curry, Steph and Aisha shit, but we.
All I do is like, let me show you. I brush, grab, brush, grab. Like you wanna brush it, grab it with your hand and like get a good grip. And I think the wetter your hair, the easier it will be. Because if I did this on dry hair, like, I'll have so many lumps and I'll be struggling to get it into a sleek.
But we more like Belly, Tommy, and Keisha shit. Gave you TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit. Man,
Okay. Now that I grip. I'm gonna put my hand out really, really tight. Ponytail. Yeah, my bones crack. It happens every time I do this. Need to go around one more time. I'm not being dramatic, like. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take some more gel.
You would've learned a lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man.
I'm going in with my brush again. I'm basically just smoothing everything down. I brush and then smooth out my fingers.
The ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula. I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my ex.
I'm like exhausted. Arms burn. For now I'm just gonna lay my edges. I just take some gel. Pretty simple. There's no right or wrong way to do your edges.
You don't hear my line no more. You don't make it ring.
I figured I just want to put my hair in a bun. Yeah. Let me show you how I do my bun I've been wearing for the last couple of weeks. What you need is either regular size scrunchies or rubber bands. I use rubber bands because I don't have any regular size scrunchies. Let's take a rubber band. Can you see? I basically act like I'm putting my hair in a ponytail when I'm really not. I just went around twice. I don't know how to explain this. I know there's a name for this, but I don't know it. I'm gonna do the same. I'm basically gonna do this down the length of my hair.
I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring.
It's a very simple but elegant but cute but laid back but yeah. This is the key to a slick bun, to a scarf, to lay your hair down.
Want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get it.
Okay, this is the final. I like it. It looks cute. I'm spraying this Bronner Rose Jamaican Black Castor Oil infused with rosemary. Lightweight spray oil, whatever. And the oil spray this on my hair whenever I'm wearing buns. But yeah, that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
And you ain't hit me up in a while.